Are you looking for the best TIG welder in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best TIG welder that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the YESWELDER TIG Welder. This compact TIG welder is ideal for anyone just starting out or welders who are interested in learning the craft of TIG welding. It's smaller scale, yes, but it can still power through tough projects without overheating or overloading. While it can do a lot, it's worth noting this model is not suitable for welding aluminum as it's a DC welder, not AC DC. However, it is capable of TIG welding a thin metal with a metal thickness of 0 to 5.0 mm for stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, cast iron, and chrome, and arc welding materials with a thickness of 15 to 42 mm. It also comes with a handy foot pedal and automatic heat control. I have TIG welded at work for years using brand name welders, explained a reviewer. I bought this one to do some TIGging at home. Super impressed with the ease of the machine and the quality of the weld. It's a beast at welding angle iron and S-square tubing. Another buyer similarly noted, I didn't believe a welder this light could do much of anything, but was happy to be proven wrong. Up next in the 4th place is the S7 AC DC TIG Welder. The S7 and its set of accessories is relatively affordable compared to other AC DC TIG welders, and on top of TIG welding, it's capable of stick welding. Reviewers have used it for everything from customizing rally bikes to repairing AC lines to welding core car supports. Owners also noted that thanks to its size, this AC DC TIG welder is easy to tote to work sites and even up on ladders. The set comes with a TIG torch gun, clamp, and electrode holder, all useful inclusions for newer welders. It can't weld aluminum, but it's still a superb machine for one to get their bearings about TIG welding on. In hindsight, an AC DC welder would be what I need. However, I wanted a cheap TIG machine to learn on and thought at under US $1,200 this will be a small investment for learning TIG after being decent with MIG, wrote one customer. I love it and am very glad I bought this and would recommend this to anyone starting out. I plan on keeping it even after I get an AC DC unit. The 3rd product on our list is the LOTOS Plasma Cutter TIG Welder. Plasma cutters are hardy tools that channel plasma into slicing through thick materials and metals. It's the perfect combination to have with a TIG welder, as the two can work in tandem to complete projects that the other one can't. But this LOTOS model goes beyond these two. It can also perform as a stick welding machine. The setup of this DC TIG machine is easy, and many reviewers were pleased with the longevity, as well as with the customer support if issues arose. It also features pulse width modulation, heat control, and is compatible with a foot pedal, although you'd have to purchase the foot pedal separately. I just tried the TIG today. I was impressed, wrote an ironworker. It welded better than the US $3,000 machine I learned on at the Union Training Center. Used it on stainless and also on mild steel. Doesn't have AC, pulse, or modified wave functions, but very smooth arc, and you don't have to scratch to start it. Second on our list is the WeldPro 200 amp LCD Inverter 5-in-1 multi-process welder, combining 5 tools into one. This WeldPro TIG welder goes beyond one method or technology. Users can work it as a MIG welder, flux core welder, stick welder, aluminum spool gun, and of course, a TIG welder. The LCD screen also adds to the appeal, as it makes the welding process easier to customize. Users can choose amperage range, speed, and electrode type. Its welding amperage range is 230V broken down as so: MIG 4200A, MMA 2180A, and TIG 2180A. Whether welding steel is a must or a machine that can serve as a multi-hyphenate in a workspace, WeldPro's box won't disappoint. The absence of a foot pedal though may take some getting used to. I use a Miller Pipeworks at work all day every day for welding pipe, explained a customer. I didn't want to have a home welder I would be disappointed in. This welder is absolutely perfect in my opinion. I wired in 220 but haven't even used it yet because the 110 is everything I need. Finally, the top product on our list is the AHP AlphaTIG AC DC Welder. For precise welds when working with aluminum, this TIG AC DC welding machine is worth a look. The AHP AlphaTIG is by no means a lightweight TIG welder. It's the heaviest on the list, ringing in at 69 pounds. Welders appreciate this hefty machine's helpful LCD screen and supplementary accessories, and a handful noted its heavy-duty power. Many professional welders, TIG weld enthusiasts, and longtime hobbyists noted that this AC DC TIG welder is where they turn to purchase their first TIG welder after mastering MIG welding and stick welding. It features pulse width modulation too, and it clearly holds up to the competition. The machine does TIG great. I've only used one other TIG machine before, a Lincoln Square Wave, and the AHP is on par with it, wrote a buyer. I've welded quite a bit of carbon and stainless steel and it's worked great. I haven't done a whole lot of aluminum work, but from the limited stuff I've done, the machine does a good job. The AC controls work like they should and seem to be spot on. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.